Is your Apple Watch side button not working? Don't worry, you can still open Control Center without it. Let me show you how. If your side button is broken or unresponsive, you might think you can't access Control Center anymore, but Apple actually gives you an alternative way using built-in settings. Step 1. Enable Assistive Touch. On your Apple Watch, open Settings. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Again, scroll the screen and tap on Assistive Touch. Turn it on. So, looks like green toggle. This feature lets you control your watch without physical buttons. Now, use hand gestures or assistive menu. Once Assistive Touch is enabled, scroll to Hand Gestures and tap on it. Now, turn Toggle on next to Hand Gestures. And then, again, scroll the watch screen and tap on Double Clench, like this. So now, you can see this type of screen on your Apple Watch. Now, I again scroll the screen using Digital Crown button to System section. And that is right here. Okay, now what to do next? Simply tap on Control Center option. That's it. Now you can access Control Center without using the side button. Just wear your watch and do like me, so the Control Center will open. You can access items by scroll display with your finger. As well, you can use Digital Crown button to scroll up or down. So, this method works best on newer watchOS versions that support Assistive Touch. That's it. Now you can open Control Center even if your side button isn't working. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Apple Watch tips.